Hello guys, welcome to MathTech once again, and we are glad to have you all here. And today we are going to work on a problem solving under the quadratic equation. Kind of technical but simple. But before we continue, I would like you, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and make sure you subscribe to the channel, and don't fail to like and share to others. And if you encounter any challenge while watching this video, please don't fail to drop your questions or contributions in the comments section. Thank you. So in today's problem solving video, we are having a quadratic equation or a quadratic equation question. Let me use that word. Now we are asked if the sum and product of the roots of the equation px squared plus qx plus 6 equal to 0 are minus 5 over 3 and minus 2 respectively. Find P and Q. Firstly, you must understand the question. Now we are saying that if the sum and product of the roots of the quadratic equation or of the equation px squared plus qx plus 6 equal to 0 are minus 5 over 3 and minus 2 respectively. Find P and Q. Now you've been given the value of the sum and the value of the product. The value of the sum is what? Minus 5 over 3, and the value of the product is what? Minus 2. We're talking about sum, talking about the sum of roots. Now, from our quadratic equation, from our quadratic expression, ax squared plus bx plus c. Now, the formula for finding the sum of the roots is what? Minus b all over a. I will not be proving that in this video, but when we get to the part of the math series where we'll be solving or learning the quadratic equation or polynomials or functions in general, I think we'll be learning all of that. But for this, note that the formula for the sum of roots is what? Minus b all over a, and that of product of roots is what? C all over a. So now, in this question, they are telling you that the sum of the roots of the equation is what? Minus 5 over 3. It means that our minus b all over a is equal to what? Minus 5 all over 3. And the product of the roots is c all over a, and they give you the result that when you do c all over a, the result will give you what? Minus 2. But now, let's go back to the quadratic expression. We must take note of this. Our a here is being represented by what? P. And our b here is being represented by what? Q. So instead of using b all over a, we'll use what? Okay, our b is what? Q all over, what is our a? Our a is p. So minus q all over a equal to what? Minus 5 all over what? 3. And same for here. This will be what? C is what? 6. C is what? 6 all over a is what? P. And this will be equal to what? Minus 2. So we can call this 1 and we can call this 2. Now, the next step we take is that to say from 1, or if you don't want to start from 1, we can say from 2, but vice versa, it still gives you the correct answer. I'm just looking for the easiest of method to give to us. From 2, we can see that from 2, our p will be what? 6 all over p equal to minus 2. When it cross multiplies, it implies that we will have 6 equal to minus 2p. Dividing both sides by minus 2. And here, therefore, our p will be equal to what? Minus 3. Our p will be equal to minus 3. So now, since we have gotten the value of p to be minus 3 from equation 2, so we will substitute the value of p equal to minus 3 in equation 1. So we say therefore, let me change the marker. Therefore, substitute p equal to minus 3 into 1. So 1 is what? 1 is minus q all over p, minus q all over p. But now our p will be what? Minus 3 equal to minus 5 all over 3. So at this point, the minus and minus cancels. So we cross multiply. This goes here. Cross multiplying, we have 3 times minus 5. We have minus 15 and q times 3 here will give us 3q equal to minus 15. Don't forget it's cross multiplication. Cross multiply. Cross multiply. 3 times minus 5 gives us minus 15. Q times 3 gives us what? 3q. So at this point, we divide both sides by 3. Since we are looking for the value of q. 3. So 3 into 3, 1, q is left. Minus 15 divided by 3 will give us what? Minus 5. Minus 15 divided by 3 will give us minus 5. So therefore, our q is equal to minus 5 and our p is equal to what? Our p is equal to what? Minus 3. So now we can rewrite this expression here, this quadratic expression here to be what? Minus 3x squared plus, okay, since minus, so since it's minus, we continue with minus 5x plus 6 equal to what? 0. So that is it for this video, and we successfully gotten the value for our p and the value for our q. As simple as that. Hope there is no challenge with this, and we can see that the equation is now transformed from p and q now to minus 3x squared minus 5x. Just a quick one for you to confirm. So if you want to see find the sum of this, the sum of the roots of this, same thing, minus b all over a will be what? Minus bracket minus 5 all over minus 3. This cancel this, and we are still left with what? Minus 5 all over 3. So our values are correct. Thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you for being part of MathTech journey. Please don't fail to like, share, and subscribe. I remain Enogon Lucky Monday, the founder and CEO of the MathTech community. And please don't forget that our private tutoring services is still ongoing. You can see it there on the screen. Don't fail to participate. If you're a child, if you're a student, tell your parents to support you to participate in the MathTech private tutoring services. Also, if you're a parent, please don't fail to enroll your children in the MathTech tutoring services, in the mathematics aspects, in the programming aspects, in the aspect of sciences, and in terms of academic coaching and academic therapy. Thank you so much. See you next time.